Hey everyone, have you ever wanted to build a professional website but didn't have the time or coding skills? Well, today we're looking at Durable AI, an AI-powered website builder that promises to create a fully functional website in just 30 seconds. In this video, we'll put that claim to the test, explore its features, and see if it's worth your time. Let's get started. What is Durable AI? Durable AI is an AI-driven website builder designed for small businesses, freelancers, and entrepreneurs. Unlike traditional website builders, Durable uses artificial intelligence to generate an entire website instantly, including text, images, and design elements, all based on just a few inputs from you. Let's dive into how it works. Alright, let's see if Durable can really create a website in under 30 seconds. Here's how it works. Go to durable.so and click Get Started. Enter your business type, for example, photography or digital marketing. Name your business or let AI generate one for you. Click Generate Website and boom, within seconds, Durable builds a complete website, including a homepage, service pages, and even pre-written content. Now that we have our site, let's explore what Durable AI offers. AI-generated content, pre-written text for your industry, built-in SEO optimization, helps rank your site on Google. Durable AI offers different pricing plans, including a free trial to test things out. The paid plans start at $12 per month, giving you access to premium features like a custom domain, analytics, and more. Before we wrap up, here are the biggest pros and cons of Durable AI. Super fast website creation, no coding or design experience needed. AI-generated content and updates. Cons. Limited customization compared to platforms like WordPress. AI-generated content may need tweaks for accuracy. Not ideal for complex e-commerce stores. So, is Durable AI worth it? If you need a simple, professional-looking website fast, it's definitely a great option. But if you're looking for full customization and control, you might want to explore other platforms. Either way, it's an exciting look into the future of AI-powered website building. What do you think about AI-generated websites? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech and business tool reviews. See you in the next video.